So I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to turn the standby light on or off on this TV. So that's a standby light there, that little red light. So what you want to do is switch on your TV and then go home. Just press the home button on your remote and then go to the top menu there and select settings. Scroll down on the settings menu to system, select that, and then scroll down to advanced settings, select that, and then you should see the power indicator option. You can see it's on, and that's why when I turn off my TV, the standby light comes on. You can turn it off like that. So now, even if you switch off your TV, the standby light will not come on, okay? And to turn it back on, just go ahead and turn on that switch once again, okay? So let's go back to that page. So settings, system, advanced settings, power indicator, enable it, and that's how to turn it on, okay? Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.